So now we are on case study based question on the chapter carbons compound, the second one. So what I can see over here that some structures of some carbon compounds are given over here. And I have taken the first question. And here we have to find out which of the following compounds have the same homologous series. So let's begin with writing the homologous series. So first one is P. As you can see, it has double bond between carbon-carbon atoms. So it's alkyne, YNE. The second, that is Q, I can see this is a bromo, right? This is Q1 is bromo, is an heteroatom, bromo. Next is for R, it is OH, that's alcohol. R is what? Alcohol, functional group. S is what? S, you can see there is a single bond between carbon-carbon atom. So S is an alkane, ANE. Next is T. What is T? There is a triple bond between carbon-carbon atom. All right. So this is again same, right? This P and T are same. That is, it's alkyne. And if I read S here, sorry, it's U now. What is U? U, let me write on first U here. U, you can see double bond between carbon-carbon atoms. So it's an unsaturated hydrocarbon having double bond, and that is alkene. Now let's read the question. The question here was, which of the following belong to the same functional group? As it is well visible, that is P and T, right? We have already written over here. So P and T, that is option D is the correct. Now next question. And the next, that is question here, the functional group of the compound R. So where is R? R is this, right? R is what? R is alcohol. Now that's done. Now I'll type the next question here only. So the next question here should be the third one. And what is it? The compound T that belongs to homologous series. So compound T, as you can see, T and both P belongs to this alkyne homologous series, and alkynes are this, right? Having triple bond between carbon-carbon atom. This is the third question. And fourth is what? Let's check for the fourth one. The fourth is this. So question here is, which of the following compound is an unsaturated hydrocarbon? So what are unsaturated hydrocarbon? The compounds having triple bond between carbon-carbon atom and one or more double or triple bond. Sorry, I repeat. Which of the following compounds are unsaturated? So what are unsaturated hydrocarbon? Compounds having one or more double or triple bond between carbon-carbon atom. So you can check from the figure only. This has double bond between carbon-carbon atom. This is, and this, and this. Even one or more than one double or triple bond. So it's how much? Which one? P, T, and U. But when you have to check for the options given here. So P is not an option, T is not an option, and U is there, right? So we'll stick for this one. So we have done 4 parts. Now check for what is there in the 5th part of this. So let's type the 5th part. The 5th part is this. Which of the following compounds belong to the alkane homologous series? So what is alkane? Alkanes have single bond between carbon-carbon atom. So I've already written, right? While reading the first part of the question, we have already figured out that S, as you can see, is all single bond between carbon-carbon atom and no other functional group. It's not just the single bond between, one can say that there are single bond between over here also, but then you should know that here the bromine functional group is present. Similarly, here also you can see single bond between carbon-carbon atom, but why did not I choose this option? Because here the functional group OH is present. So we'll say that the correct option for this will be S. So S is there and this is the. So all 5 parts done. We'll do another case study based on this carbon chapter.